digital marketing trends. Brands focusing on social responsibility will flourish. We predict brands will clean up business practices and adjust messaging to appeal consumers who care about social and environmental sustainability. Businesses will be forced to embrace the digital transformation. Coronavirus has forced brands to adopt digital channels. Brands that embrace technologies will be in a leadership position post-pandemic. Influencer marketing will solidify its position. Influencers can speak on a more personal level. As a result, there is an opportunity for brands to utilize social media influencers more now than ever. Consumer behavior will change. COVID-19's effect has been significant and, likely, enduring. Consumer behavior has changed, and we predict marketers will make changes to their messages. Let's start conversation. Here is our contact info.